Hey traders, it's Tim Irving. Look, this is what I told you last week. I said on Euro GBP last week, I told everyone the market was gonna come down right on it. From there, the market was gonna retrace back, and then boom, it was gonna continue selling down. That's exactly what I told you. Why did I say that? Because here's your yellow box with the red arrow indicating the market was selling. So that, just wanted to show you the drawing is still there. The next pair that I gave you guys was the most tradable pair in the world, and that's gold. Look at the yellow box with the green arrow. Boom! Right on it. Stating the market here was only going in one direction, and that is bullish. Look, I said market was going to go all the way up. Look at that. Right on it, guys. What did I say from there? Market was going to drop down, doing a small pullback, retesting what? Retesting our previous multiple time frame. You can check last week video, and that's exactly what I told you guys. And then from there, I said market was going to continue up. But why it went up, guys? Remember, here's your yellow box with the green arrow, right? Stating the market is only going in one direction, and that is bullish. So you don't see any yellow box yet coming down. So that is good. That is really, really good. The next pair that I gave you guys was USD 30. Look at the yellow box, guys. What is the yellow box doing? Boom! Right on it. Look at that green arrow going in one direction, and that is a beast, guys. But last week I said, look at the drawing. I'm not removing it yet. I said the market was gonna retest our previous multiple time frame. Look at that. Boom! Right in the middle. And then from there, I said market was gonna drop down. I thought it was gonna come back to our 61.8 Fibonacci. It came 80% to that level, which is still then pretty good. And then what did I say from there? Boom! Market was gonna go all the way to the moon. Why do you think I say that? Look at the yellow box with the green arrow, stating exactly what I told you. So I'm gonna give you this new week, guys. Hopefully that will make you money. But let's go. Let's change the world, and let's collect these hundreds and hundreds of pips. Okay? Any question, guys? 100 to 1,000, and this is the way that we are gonna do it. So we're gonna give you a brand new setup this week. So we're looking into what? We're looking into Euro GBP. Boom! Pay close attention. Always pay attention to the 4 hours, guys. What did I do? What is the next thing that I do? A cheat sheet, basically. A cheat sheet of what the dashboard is letting me know. What is 4 hours in daily time frame telling me? That is telling me the market is simply going in one direction, and that it is selling. But this is the best strategy that I'm gonna give you guys. So hopefully you guys make money. So let me show you the real data. Look at that. What is the multiple time frame doing? Boom, it's selling. What is the TW sniper entry? Boom, it's selling. Look at the stairs, brand new stairs. 1, 2. So Euro GBP is only going down. But there is one thing. Look at the yellow box, guys. This is the best strategy that I'm gonna give you here on the Forex trading market. Look at the yellow box with the red arrow. What is that saying? It's saying the market here is only going in one direction. Whenever you see the yellow box with the green arrow, that means the market is going up. Look at what happens in the previously. It went up. Look at right now, it's going down. The yellow box is there with the red arrow, and it's only going in one direction. So this is me. We got 3 levels already in the market. So this candle here already did respect this level, which is the 84,591. So, but in my opinion, market can still come back down, or can go to the next level here and the third one. So, but we're gonna play safe. This is what I'm seeing here for this coming week, guys. Market is gonna retrace back to the same level, creating a frame in there stating the market is gonna retrace back. So we are gonna look into a pullback. So fortunately, market is still selling. There's nothing we can do. It's gonna continue selling down, and then from that point it's gonna do a reversal coming down to our previous multiple time frame 1s, multiple time frame 2. So this level here, our 50 Fibonacci level, is very, very crucial. And from there, boom, market will only sell on Euro GBP. All I'm seeing on Euro GBP, guys, is a sell. If you guys see anything else, let me know, but that will help you to get the best strategy in the market this week. Okay, just look at the yellow box, guys. That's simple. With yellow box, look at that. Boom, yellow box is there with the red arrow, market is coming down. Yellow box with the green arrow, market goes up. It's that simple. Look at that. Up, down. That's it. That's it. That's what I call this the best strategy. We're gonna grow this account from 100 to 1,000. Okay. All right. The next pair that I'm gonna give you guys, like I said and always say in my video, gold is one of the most tradable pair in the world, and here it is. Let me not show you the real drawing yet, but look at the dashboard, guys. What the dashboard saying? Look at that. 4 hours is selling, and the daily time frame is bullish. So gold is still in a buy trend, which is looking into a pullback. Now let's go ahead and analyze the real data. What is the real data doing? Look at that. I don't want you to get confused as Irving, what are you talking about? No. I'm gonna give you the real deal because you deserve to know the answer. You deserve everything. So look at here. Multiple time frame is here. TW snapper entry. Look at the stairs, guys. Boom, boom. Where is the yellow box with the green arrow heading? Look at here. It's here. Do you see any red yellow box with the red arrow in the in real time? No. So the only thing that is moving right now is only going bullish. So everything match, and look at what happened, guys. Market is only going in one direction. This is gold on 4 hours. Look at that. Market, so this is what we are seeing here on the 4 hours, this yellow red box in there saying that we are in a pullback. That pull this week was over. Basically it's getting ready for that continuation of that buy. So this is my weekly analysis for gold. This is what I'm thinking market will continue doing, guys. Market is still gonna be pushing all the way to our re-entry here. So let me fix this because I believe the following, guys. I believe the market will continue going very, it's only going up. It's not doing anything else. Market may continue coming down all the way to our previous multiple time frame. And then from there, we are expecting to see a reversal. So this reversal is very crucial, guys. It's gonna come down all the way to our previous multiple time frame. Look at here. It's multiple time frame 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and boom, market from that point on will go up. So all I'm seeing here, guys, the gold still bullish. Be careful that we had news on Friday. Trade, guys, if you don't know how to trade, please don't trade on real account. Practice on a demo. I'm trying to make this drawing perfect. There you go. Please don't trade real money if you don't know how to trade. It's very important. I don't want any of you guys to blow your account. Okay. All right. Let me give you another pair, guys, that is gonna blow your mind, and that is going to be USD 30. Guys, let me not show the real data. If there's a pair that you want me to make a video, let me know. But look at the yellow box, guys. Look, by looking at the yellow box, it's very straightforward. Look at that. It's yellow box with the green arrows there. Boom, market went up. Yellow box with the red arrow came back down. Boom, market dropped. Yellow box with the green arrow came back. Boom, market went up. Look at that. Yellow box with the red arrow came back. Market dropped. Look at here in the path. Market came. Yellow box with a green arrow. Boom, it went up. It's that simple, guys. It's very simple, very simple. But look at the dashboard, guys. What is the dashboard saying on USD 30? Look, boom. Guys, if anyone is making video on USD 30 or gold stating the market is in a sell, don't believe that crap, guys. Market is only going in one direction, and that is bullish. Now that we had cheat sheet basically with the dashboard, all we know the market is bullish, right? So what do we do next? We go and check real data, because that's all I care. I care what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Even though that I don't have the data yet, neither you, no one in this earth has what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But I like to do weekly analysis, expecting the market will do the following based on my trading skills. Look at here, multiple time frame is there. TW snapper entry is there. Look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. Where's the yellow box with the green arrow heading here on gold? Look at that. That came in, guys. If you would have been in a buy trend, that came on August 8th. Since August 8th, market has been trending only in one direction. And what was on Friday? Friday was on the 23rd. Look at that, guys. We are heading to 1 month, and market has been very bullish on USD 30. So there's no way that you're gonna say, Irving, you are wrong. So this is what we're expecting to see now. We're expecting to see this yellow box come up in the near future, but unfortunately there's no data yet. So this is my weekly analysis on USD 30. Market is still very bullish. how far it's gonna go. It already retested this level here. It got disrespected. So we are looking into going to the second multiple time frame, which that is my drawing. From there, we are looking to see a what? We're looking to see a red arrow, which is gonna represent a pullback. So once the pullback come in, this box here on 4 hours is gonna show red, and bam, we are gonna be looking for a small sell. But overall, the market is bullish, guys. That's what I think, guys. This is the best strategy, and we need to turn 100 to 1000 so we can pay some bills and we can, you know, do some barbecue and so forth. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, I don't want to make it too long, but it's very interesting, to be honest. If there's any pair that you want me to analyze, please let me know and I will make it for you. And guys, stay safe, trade with rules. If you don't know how to trade, don't trade. Try the demo account, and God bless you, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Hasta la vista. Boom.